All right, for you die-hard two-stroke guys, especially you guys that love the KX500s, the CR500s, the old big bore two-strokes, man, this is a summer treat for you all. This is the new Panthera 600cc two-stroke engine that they are developing and manufacturing themselves. You probably have heard of this company from their electric starts they offer for the YZ250 two-strokes, and I believe some KXs and RMs as well. They are pricey, but you know, if you want to play, you got to pay. Now, this is especially cool for me because I saw this and got excited. I have a KX500 project sitting in my garage that I would like to build one day soon when funds are available, and I'm worried because I already know there's a lot of parts that I can't get for that thing, and having the option of something like this, if there's ever a part I can't get to make that engine work, sounds great. But where this engine is really going to shine is for the CR500 guys, because that's what this bolt pattern and entire setup is more closely based off of. So get this, an engine available, newly produced, designed off a CR500 platform with a hydraulic clutch, electric start, and counterbalancer with backup kick option, and there's an option to revert it to a cable clutch if you'd rather have that. I mean, it sounds like everything that all of you guys ever wanted. I think it's super cool. Now, you'll be able to buy this engine top end only, bottom end only, or both. But what's cool is your CR500 top end will work right on the Panthera bottom and vice versa. That's pretty sweet. Now, I know you guys want to know about cost, and cost is going to set you back around $7,800 for the complete engine. Bottom ends will be around $4,000, and top ends will be around $2,000 to $2,500. So make sure you hit the follow button, because I'm going to do a couple more videos breaking this engine down into more details about the specs.